we are going to make a test on this new compressor to make sure this AC clutch is working. You are going to see this part is going to move like this. You need to put a ground to the compressor, and we are going to put power right here. Oh, let me turn on this. Okay, now it's power, and you can see it right there. It's making that noise, and you see it. That clutch, the AC clutch is working. And let's check this oil compressor if it's good or it's bad. The same ground on the AC compressor, and we put power right here, and it's supposed to move this one the same. And nope, it's not working. This AC clutch is bad. Is why I'm going to replace it for a new one, because this one is complete bad, this AC. You can see this one has power and it's not doing anything. And you can see the difference when you have a good compressor. It's going to work. Okay.